Hello? Yeah, Nick. Yeah, it's Les. Yeah. Super King. No, it's not running yet. But yeah, I was working on the bike here. Yeah, it's like an R6. And I really ran into a real blunder with the chain. Yeah, kind of nicked it up pretty good there. Yeah, Master Link. Yeah, Master Link. Yeah, they're pretty hard. Didn't use a clip-on one. You want me one of those today? Oh, you can. Great, awesome. I'll be right over. Thanks. Yeah, I don't know why we do an accent thing. Anyway, with that said though, make sure you guys are equipped and fully prepared to ever try and work on your own motorcycle. I thought I could do it. Gotta bow out sometimes. With that said though, big shout out to my guy Nick over at GP Cyclesports. He is amazing. He got this chain on there real quick for me. You'll see here I had the rivet style, and he riveted that thing in there perfectly. So that said, if you got somebody or a motorcycle shop near you, or if you're in the Chicagoland area, make sure you go to Nick at GP Cyclesports. He's always busy, but it will save you from how many chains in your garbage can. So with that said, make sure you guys go and give him a loud shout out. You can shoot him a call, a text, a carrier pigeon. He's always busy, but he'll always make time for you. That said though, SK out.